Hello guys, welcome to the how to channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a potion of regeneration in Minecraft, a potion of regeneration 2 and a splash potion of regeneration. This is all of the items you will need to make it. This is the item for the potion, this is the item for the brewing stand and the bottles, and this is if you want the potion of regeneration to a splash potion or you want the potion to last longer. So take all of the items out of the chest, take your 3 glasses and turn it into 3 glass bottles. Then take your blaze rod and turn it into some blaze powder. Fill up your 3 water bottles and go to brewing stand. Place your 3 bottles like this and place your blaze powder right there. As you can see, this fuel bar will fill up. Then add some leather wart and wait for the brewing process. Once that's done, you will have awkward potion. Then just add a gas stir. Then you want to wait again, and right there you will have a potion of regeneration. But this is only a potion of regeneration 1. If you want to turn it into potion of regeneration 2, add some glowstone dust. I'm removing 2 of the bottles just so you can see the difference, and right there you will have a potion of regeneration 2. But this potion will last 22 seconds and you can't make it any longer. But if you want the normal potion of regeneration to last longer, just add it back into the brewing stand and add some redstone dust. Wait once again for the brewing process, and as you can see right there, this potion will last 1.5 minutes, which is double the time of the previous one. Now if you want to turn it into a splash potion, just add some gunpowder, and after the brewing process you will have a splash potion of regeneration. I hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to subscribe to the how to channel.